Hello everybody, so today in this video I'm going to be opening up this, which is the, I can't remember what this box is called, Jumbo Box, the Attax 2024 Jumbo Box. 16 packets inside. They have 5 blue Team Parallel cards inside, and you also get one of these black border cards inside, as well as there is a guaranteed one of these cards inside. Obviously I am hoping for the Lando, but yeah, let's get it open, see what we can get. Kind of excited. Okay, I've never actually opened up like a box of like cards, so I'm going to jumble them up. Ooh, these ones are fancy, so they're clearly going to be our good cards, and then these are just regular packs. So stack them up so that they are mixed up, and let's start with this pack. Okay, so we have Daniel Ricciardo, Carlos Sainz, George Russell, Sergio Perez, Sebastian Montoya, Victor Martins, Alex Albon, Valtteri Bottas, Max Verstappen, and Fernando Alonso. Nothing amazing in that pack. Obviously we are now looking for numbered parallels, and anything that might be good. Esterson, Carlos Sainz. We're also looking for any Lando Norris, obviously. Kushmaini, Stanek, Hulkenberg, Pierre Gasly, Oscar Piastri, and Alex Albon. If we could get any numbered card, that would be wonderful, and I would not complain in the slightest. Or any of the 5-year cards, they're pretty cool as well, I've seen them. We have McLaren, the Ferrari boys, Christian Horner, we have Maria Marti, we have Van Hoopen, we have Kevin Magnussen, we have a Nigel Mansell rainbow card, that's pretty cool. Gabriel Bortoleto and RB. So that's so far our best card. So we have Lando Norris. I don't know if I have that one. I think I do. Pretty sure I do. VCarb, Fernando Alonso, Look, I don't know, Hauger. We have Sargent, we have Haas, we have a Fernando Alonso signature style card. These cards are so pretty. I have the Lando Norris one, and I don't know which other one I have, but I think I got 2. But now I have Fernando Alonso, which is pretty cool. Can't complain at that at all. Then we have Gabriel Bortoleto and Red Bull. No numbered cards yet, which is a shame. We have Career Racers, Daniel Ricciardo. Do we have any no numbered ones. Bruno Famin. We have Kick Sauber and Haas. Now that is a letdown of a pack. That's a terrible pack. Okay. We got a pink parallel and a very damaged card. That's good. We have Carlos Sainz, Oscar Piastri, nope. Sergio Perez, Durskin. We have Alex Albon, Esteban Ocon. We have the pink parallel Shanghai Tiger of Zhou Guanyu. Pretty nice card, like that one. Put that to the side. Max Verstappen and a very battered Carlos Sainz. We have the McLaren boys. Fernando Alonso, Max Verstappen, Wisniewski, Colapino, DRS, Pierre Gasly. Yes! That was one of the ones I needed. The Lando Norris 100 Club card in rainbow. That's pretty cool. And then we have Zane Maloney and McLaren. Any coloured? Oh, we got a coloured card. We got a numbered one. I think they're numbered. Yuki Tsunoda, Carlos Sainz, Lewis Hamilton, Fornaroli, that's how you pronounce it. Correa. We have Kick Sauber. I'm going to save that one till last. We got Williams Racing. We got Teo Porcher, Nico Hülkenberg, and Zane Maloney. What I would give for that to have been a card of Kimi Antonelli, because that would be quite a find. But, Zane Maloney, it's okay, I suppose. Anything coloured? Nope. We have Lando Norris, Carlando, Charles, we have Toto Wolff, we have Fernando Alonso, Maini, Ramos, Hülkenberg, Sargent, and then major letdown of a pack. Okay, we have a pink parallel in this one. So you have Carlos Sainz, Daniel Ricciardo, Max Verstappen, Fernando Alonso. Oh my god, I don't know how you pronounce that name at all. I don't think I've ever seen this guy. I don't really watch F3, so I'm not even going to try that. Kevin Magnussen, Rainmaster. Oh yes, we got a Kimi Antonelli pink parallel. That's pretty cool. Would prefer if it was a numbered one, but can't complain at a pink parallel Kimi Antonelli. Let's get these open. Okay. Ooh, we got a gold Yuki Tsunoda. That's pretty cool. Limited edition. Love these cards, they're so cool. Like that a lot. Do we get any other colour? No. Lando Norris, Max Verstappen, Fernando Alonso, Cordial. We got Max Verstappen and Alpine. I'll put Yuki in my pile of good stuff. Any coloured stuff? We got a pink one. Pretty cool. So we got Lauren McKees. We got Max Verstappen. We got Lewis Hamilton. Zane Maloney. Dunn. Logan Sargent. Valtteri Bottas. And we got a pink parallel Carlos Sainz. Can't complain at pink parallel Carlos Sainz. And then another Carlos Sainz. Last two packs of the actual packs, and then we get into our fancy ones. Okay, so there is a rainbow card in here. So Charles Leclerc, Daniel Ricciardo, Sergio Perez, Beganovic, Dirksen. Nope. We have Zhou Guanyu. Okay, that's pretty cool. Got an unstoppable Max Verstappen rainbow card. That's pretty good, I like that. Then we got Victor Martins and Isaac Hajar. Last pack of the actual packs, and then we'll move on to these ones. Okay. Tommy Smith, Lando Norris, Lewis Hamilton, Antonelli. Okay, we got Zhou Guanyu, Shanghai Tiger again. And then Paul Aaron. So, which one of these do I do first? I'll do this one. Okay. here we go. So we got RB, Turbo Thrills, Zhou Guan Yu, Logan Sargent, yes, Podium Power, Lando Norris, yes, I'll take that, nope, Charles Leclerc, Podium Power, Max Verstappen, that's pretty cool, got a gold Charles Leclerc, nice, and then those. Don't know why I put those on my good pile. Let's take those out of my good pile. Put Charles on there. And this is our last pack. So as you can see, there is the black parallel card in there. I'm excited. So Yuki Tsunoda, Kevin Magnussen, Fernando Alonso, Esteban Ocon, nope. Okay, I'm gonna Graham Haas. Okay. Oh, there's another card here. Lewis Hamilton. Okay, so it's Ferrari. Is it Carlos Sainz? Yes! Oh my god, these cards are beautiful. Wow. Okay. It's like a matte effect, but then it's got like some shiny bits of like a checkered flag kind of look here. Wow. I'm so happy that I got a driver that I love. Wish it was Lando, but wow. They look incredible. That's insane. Even the back of the card is cool. If it wants to not focus on Sergio Perez's face. That is so cool. So yeah. These are the good hits that I got. There's some pretty good ones. Let's throw these over here. So we got Charles Leclerc, we've got the Podium Power Lando Norris, we've got the Rainbow Zhou Guan Yu, Rainbow Max Verstappen, Pink Parallel Carlos, the Yuki Tsunoda Gold, the Pink Parallel Kimi Antonelli, the numbered Zane Maloney, the 100 Club Lando Norris, which I wanted, Shanghai Tiger Pink Parallel, we've got the Fernando Alonso Signature, I'm joking, Signature Style, and the Rainbow Nigel Mansell, and then of course this beautiful Carlos Sainz black border card. Insane, amazing. So that is it. Please leave a like and comment if you want me to do more of these, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.